In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Wix, following a step-by-step guide that's perfect for beginners, and will have your blog up and running in no time. So let's jump right in and start creating your Wix blog from scratch. First, we need to navigate to the Wix website editor, open your preferred web browser and type in wix.com. Log into your Wix account, and from the dashboard click on the website you want to work with. This will take you directly into the Wix website editor where the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, look for a small plus icon, usually located on the left side of the screen. Clicking this icon opens up a menu where you can add various elements to your website. In this case, we're interested in adding a blog section, so go ahead and click on blog. This selection helps to initiate the blog setup process on your site, giving you access to the various tools Wix offers for managing and creating posts. After selecting blog, you'll see a variety of templates you can choose from. Wix offers these templates to help streamline your design process. Choose a template that suits the aesthetic and functionality you're aiming for. Don't worry if it's not perfect, you can always tweak it later to better fit your vision. Next, let's move on to managing your blog posts. Find and click on Manage Posts to open up the Blog Manager. This tool gives you control over your content, allowing you to create, edit, and organize posts efficiently. Now let's create a new post. Within the Blog Manager, you'll see an option to Create New Post. Click this to open a new post editor, where you can start drafting your blog content. Here you can add a title, text, images, and any other multimedia elements you think would enhance your content. If you already have posts, or if you want to modify a pre-existing one, you can click on an existing post to edit it. This feature is particularly useful if you're revamping older content or making quick updates to keep your blog fresh and engaging. Once you've edited or created a post to your liking, it's crucial to save your changes to prevent losing your work. Simply find and click the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the editor window. After saving, you're almost done. The final step is to click on Publish. Publishing makes your post live on your site, so readers can enjoy your latest piece. Remember, you can always come back to edit and republish if revisions are needed. Congratulations! You now know how to create and manage a blog using Wix. Repeat these steps as you continue to grow your blog, add new content, and refine your site's look and feel. Happy blogging!